Greetings from ESA Machines, India. Asia's first #1 vertical type 360-degree bricks, blocks and material grabbing attachment system manufacturer. In today's fast-growing construction and brick manufacturing industry, productivity, safety, and efficiency are not choices, they are necessities. And that's exactly where ESA Machines leads the way. Founded in the year 2000, ESA Machines is the brainchild of Sri Ganesh Jai Ganesh Engineering Works, born and engineered in Coimbatore, Tamil Nadu. With over 2 decades of engineering excellence, we are proud pioneers in the Indian market for hydraulic grabber attachments. Today, ESA Machines has successfully completed more than 180 installations across India, earning the trust and satisfaction of customers in the building and construction sector. Our flagship innovation, the ultimate hollow blocks, bricks and blocks grabbing and loading system, is designed to transform the way materials are handled. At the heart of this system lies power and precision. This allows safe handling of solid bricks, hollow blocks, fly ash bricks, paver blocks, as well as timber logs, cotton bales, and sugarcane bales, all without cracks or breakage. Thanks to our patented stress-free clamping technology, material safety is guaranteed. Unmatched performance, combined with a full 360-degree rotation, ensuring quick and accurate placement every single time. Safety is never compromised at ESA Machines. Our attachments come with built-in overload protection, a reinforced steel frame, and robust hydraulic systems that protect both operators and materials during operation. The benefits are immediate and measurable. Reduced labor, significant time savings, faster production cycles, quicker loading and unloading, higher overall production efficiency. The result: lower operating costs and faster return on investment, often within just a few weeks. And because every industry and site is unique, ESA Machines specializes in customized forklift attachments, tailor-made to meet your exact operational needs. As an ISO 9001 to 2015 certified company, quality, reliability, and innovation remain our core strengths. If you're ready to boost productivity, eliminate manual handling, and take your operations to the next level, ESA Machines is your trusted partner. ESA Machines. Let's lift your productivity to new heights. Still wasting time on manual loading? Still losing money to breakage, labor costs, and slow production? It's time to upgrade. It's time to dominate your site. It's time for ESA Machines. Born in 2000, engineered in Coimbatore, and trusted across India, ESA Machines is a pioneer that changed how bricks, blocks, and materials are handled. With 150+ successful installations, our grabber attachments are already powering India's brick manufacturing and construction industry. This is not an expense. This is a profit-making machine. And remember, no two industries are the same. That's why ESA Machines designs custom-built forklift attachments tailored exactly to your operation. Choose ESA Machines. Stop struggling. Start winning.